Viewers, the breaking news of the region is that, according to many sources from within Eritrea, a lot of Eritreans were reportedly being sent to Tigray. It was reported that Alula Hailu, deputy chairperson of Salse Viane Tigray party, and Finance, head of the party, were taken to an unknown place by Ethiopian soldiers in Mekelle. Because fires were detected on May Sagla, Very Lake Vorida, central Tigray on 21 April on satellite imagery. Because the area now falls within active conflict between the Tigray Defense Forces and Ethiopian National Defense Forces allied forces. Because on 22 April, multiple gunshots and heavy artillery were heard for hours in the outskirts of Mekelle, the capital of the Tigray region. And more reported that trucks loaded with emergency food aid that were heading toward Nablus and Hausen, central and eastern Tigray, are blocked by Eritrean troops. More than 800 Eritrean troops were reportedly destroyed by Tigray Defense Forces near Abiyadi, central Tigray. And more viewers news is that internet access and in many areas electricity remain cut in Tigray. Whereas Alex Diwal in urging that a priority is made to re-establish them. According to him, it would help solve some of the most pressing issues. Because it would increase communications and thus the ability to provide humanitarian assistance. It would also provide protection for civilians and help prevent atrocities. Because internet access would allow people to warn each other and flee, for example. Thirdly, access to the internet would allow Tigrayans to communicate with their family and ensure each other well-being. Lastly, it would vastly improve the ability to investigate and look into alleged massacres. Whereas Diwal urged that the Ethiopian government would only be against this if they have something to hide. It is important to ensure that the situation can be properly monitored. So we will latest update about Tigray. Thanks for watching.